still survive, and a man can be free. American child, does the call of the wild ever sing through the mist of your dreams? Does it fly with the wind when you waken again? When it's gone, do you know what it means? Can you picture the time when a man had to find his own way through an unbroken land? Before the machine changed the blue and the green to something you can't understand. American child, there's a burning inside you that calls you away through the cold, to come back again to all that you've been. Can't you see that it's time to come home? To the flowers and the trees and the rivers and the seas and the earth who's the mother of all. A promise once made, will it shine, will it fade? Will we rise with a vision or fall? Going up to Alaska, up to the land of the midnight sun, where the whale and the polar bear run, or the icy blue sea. Going up to Alaska, up to the north and the pioneer life, where courage and strength still survive, and a man can be free. Men can be free. Going up to Alaska, going up to Alaska, going up to Alaska.
When first unto this country a stranger I came, pick and shovel on my back, no money to my name, no money to my name. I landed in old Juneau, Seattle down the line. I boated across the channel where I worked the Treadwell mine, oh, I worked the Treadwell mine. Well, it was hard times in the open pit, 1,800 down. One day you'd make $2 and the next your glory bound, whoa, the next your glory bound. So I dodged the rocks from the sudden slides and I swam out of the flood. In the rain and cold we dug for gold through the water and the mud, whoa, through the water and the mud. So there's color in the eagle's eye and in the sun at the break of day, but there ain't no color I could find to keep me on that pay, whoa, to keep me on that pay. So it was straightway through the wilderness to Fairbanks up the line and down the frozen Yukon in the year of 99. Oh, the year of 99. Now there's 20,000 of us here out on the beach at Nome, and there ain't but 1 in 50 who can pay his way back home. Oh, pay his way back home. God find the snowblind trapper and help him on his way. God bless the drunken fiddler when he finds the time to play. And hear the words of the dying man left frozen in the cold, and pity the weary miner who's never found his gold. Oh, never found his gold. Well, I wished I was in Portland or some other seacoast town. I'd sail around this whole wide world and lay this cradle down. Oh, lay this cradle down.
Child and I lived in the city, I dreamed of Alaska so far away, and I dreamed I was flying over mountains and glaciers. Somehow I knew that I'd live there one day. Well, it took me some growing and a fair bit of schooling, a little bit of trouble to get on the move, and I felt like a loser, but I turned out the winner when it came to Alaska, the land that I love. Here's to Alaska, here's to the people, here's to the wild, and here's to the free. Here's to my life in a chosen country. Here's to Alaska and me. I was born in a cabin on Little Talkeetna, raised in hard times, but I had a good life. From the first time I flew with my father a-singing, I knew that I'd wind up a bush pilot's wife. We sleep near the sound of a slow-running river and wake up most mornings to a drizzling rain. And we live every day like the first or the last one, with nothing to lose and heaven to gain. Here's to Alaska, here's to the people, here's to the wild and here's to the free. Here's to my life in a chosen country, here's to Alaska and me. Oh, for a fire on a cold winter's night, once more to gaze at the great northern lights, for all of the beauty my children will see. Here's to Alaska and me. Here's to Alaska, here's to the people, here's to the wild and here's to the free. Here's to my